Alex tortured the teacher. She wanted to know what he had planned. He told her that he had talked to others in the class and they all would like to donate a month of their pocket money for this poor fellow to save their lives. The teacher then guided the class to take up a project. Teacher কি করলো তাদের গাইড করলো প্রজেক্টটা কমপ্লিট করার জন্য. The boys with the help of teacher work it out. টিচারের সাহায্যে বালকরা কি করলো এটা শেষ করতে পারলো. They contact the local municipality in the Romanian town and express an interest to work for them. They also contract their own landmarkers who also contribute to their fund. Then a small team led by the teacher went to Romania. They spent a couple of weeks with the people, help them put heating in their houses, supply them with sufficient blanket and food. The school authority monitored the whole process from the first to last. They warmly welcomed them back. Everyone was proud of the students who had made and carried out their own plan, helped the people in their needs, stood beside them to give mental and emotional support and come back home as young heroes. মানে টিচারের সাহায্যে কি করলো বালকরা তাদের কাজটা কমপ্লিট করলো. ঠিক আছে.